In the world of professional sports, everyone knows that the over-the-top riches belong to the team owners. The fact is, it takes a lot of money to foot the bill. However, that doesn't mean the athletes themselves are suffering from a financial standpoint. Not even close. So for today, let's take a look at the world's richest top 10 athletes. Number 10, Kobe Bryant. This NBA star is the highest paid player in the league over last year, at least in terms of the size of his deal, cause he boasts of a whooping $50 million in his kitty. 9. Jordan Spieth. As long as golf's golden boy continues to add major championship to his name, the $52.8 million he banked in the last year will be chump change compared to his future earnings. 8. Phil Mickelson. Thanks to his partnership with companies who run the Roost, which seeks him $50 million, we don't want to miss out on mentioning the additional $2.9 million he won as the prize money. 7. Cam Newton. Cam Newton may be the most magnetic personality in the NFL today, whether you're attracted or repelled, cause irrespective of everything, this man boasts of an earning that sums up to $51.3 million. Number 6. Novak Djokovic. This tennis star has stacked up nothing less than $55.8 million in his safe. Kevin Durant. Here we spot the star right at the center of the list with a whooping earning of $56.2 million, out of which $36 million comes straight from his endorsements. Number 4 is Roger Federer. While talking about this tennis star, we're looking at a whooping $67.8 million in total earning for the 17th time Grand Slam champion. It's safe to say that even with King Rogers not winning, he's winning. Number 3, Lebron James. From making $23.2 million in salary money, LBJ made $54 million from endorsements alone. He made a total earning of $77 million. Number 2, Messi. Despite making $28 million from endorsements over the past year, thanks to Adidas, the majority of Messi's $81.4 million in total earnings came from his salary and bonuses of $53.4 million to be exact. Last but not the least, Cristiano Ronaldo. He is on top of the world of the list of the highest paid athletes. Figure pales in comparison to the $56 million he earned in salary and bonus. Either way, the dollar sign have spoken, and with $88 million in total earning, Ronaldo secured this place as the highest earning athlete in 2016.